is it. First of all, I'm gonna put on my hand glove. Just manage the camera with their bonbon. You know what that means? Yeah. Because of all. So this is it. You can get it from any supermarket. This one, it was from Aushan. Now our Aushan in the brand that I'm wearing, just manage it. I wanted to show you because I have people who ask about it. So this is it. You can get it from the supermarket. As I said before, my supermarket, it was Conad. It was Aushan. From Aushan, they now turn it to Conad. Okay, it's now Conad. So I don't know if they still have it as a Conad, but this is it. Very cheap. Maybe €1. Maybe these are cents. These are cents. With €5 you have everything. With €5 you have this one in case you need it much. Even less than €5. What is €5? With €2 or €3 you achieve it. Just €2 or €3 you achieve it. Then you get your plastic. My hand glove is on. Then I'm gonna turn it here. This is how it is. It's just liquid. I don't need it that much, but let me see the quantity that I can. It's just my long hair. I need just to throw color inside, not that much, but let's see. Here is the powder. The powder is called Vita Care Porante Quello che è super calente. Ok, so vado a aprire, poi aggiungo questo. Serenone in bocca. She's eating plastic. The one of sweets cheap. Okay, this is how it is. It just, you see. In case you are allergic, don't take it close to yourself. Just, it's because of Serena. So I have table here. I have my table here, but Serena won't allow me to do my things the way that I needed it. Hey guys, you guys are seeing the mess I have there. Yeah, because I just finished fixing the hair, so I'm about to apply it now. One, I think this one will be okay. Let me see if it's just one of it. One of these sachets is just. Make sure you mix it very well. I don't know how you guys will be seeing it. I wanted to go out for shopping, but the sun is just too much. I asked my husband to go. I pray my husband is not hungry. Ever since then, this COVID of 18, I don't normally go out to do shopping, except I just need to pick some things which I know hubby always like normally do. Forgot to write it on a list of shopping, so I prefer him going out, because for him to go to shopping, it do bad a lot. If I go, I'm the one that normally economize, like the economic woman. I'm like, this one or this one, Obi will just be buying anything buyable. As far as the kids, they love it. For me, no, I'll buy the one that is on sale, but Obi don't care if it's on sale or not. We just like, oh. But ever since this COVID of 18, I prefer him be the one, like, is the one going out to do the shopping. You guys know what that means, so let me not go far. Because going out for shopping, you know, sometimes it's just, and once it's back, for me to arrange the things is another problem. So guys, I'm gonna do it one-handed plastic. So anyone that I apply, I will just cover it. Anyone that I apply, I will just cover it. Because I just want to throw it inside, not that much. To cover it. Okay, take a little bit of it, because I don't want it on top of the closure. I I don't want the closure to. Just gonna do it much, because if I should do it according to my way, Serena won't allow me to be. So let me just do it this way, so I have peace and my baby receive before she come and put her hand again. Just want to watch her hands. Ooh, I have needle. Then pull it off. Just put it. I pray you guys you are seeing it, but it's just for you to apply it, not that. Okay guys, I'm gonna on the water right away, and let me see if you guys can be seeing it this way. I don't know if it's possible this way. I don't know if it's possible. So I'm gonna on the water. So I will remove this very thing here. You guys need to see what Serena is doing. She just open water from the one you man used to watch your JJ. She just want the water and stay inside. When you leave there, the front side I didn't allow it that much, but let's see the other one, which is the one that I'm interested in. Okay, so I need to take off the water now. Things like this, you just need to have patience with doing it, especially when you have long nails. When you have oh, I love these nails. I didn't even know. Why? I'm going to fix the nails again like this one. I'm supposed to even remove this one because to fix hair with long nails, I'm not that good at it. So this is it. This is it. You guys can see how it is very well. So when I'm wearing the hair, I'll show you start the picture. So I just need to wash it before this hair starts working, because this hair is just that fucking. Let's see. I'm putting my finger, I tried to use hand glove, but I did not. Look at what is happening to my finger. It's not good for my hand. I'm going to wash it up. Say the name guys, honey. Hey guys, okay, this is the mask, and this mask is from Penny Market. Yeah, you can get it from the Penny Market. Use it to massage it and leave it for just 5 minutes. For just 5 minutes, or even more than that. You can leave it for 1 hour. Allow the thing to relax. But I was just in haste and couldn't leave it more than 5 minutes. Okay, so that was just it. Keep watching. Guys, right now I'm gonna rest it very well with water. Make sure you rest it very well, okay? And the place that I was doing this video, it was no light, so whenever you see like it's a little bit dark, I don't know how to explain it. Just enjoy the video, follow the step of how I wash the hair, how I use condition and mask to soften the hair. Okay, these are the color. The thing is not shiny, but you will see this very hair when I'm rocking it on my body. So beautiful, so gorgeous. You will love it. Believe me, you will love it. And at the same time, guys, yeah, whatever you are saying in the video that is not perfect, just manage it. I did it for you queens to learn something from it, and I believe you enjoyed it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on top of my this very thing to watch myself. Then allow the water to rest it very well without touching it. Okay, you can see that the mask is going out right now because I apply a lot of mask to it. Because once you use that product to bleach your hair, you need to hydrate the hair, and you need to use a lot of mask and condition to make sure the hair is well soft. And at the same time, you can use oil. There's one oil I normally do use, which I did a video before how to use oil to soften your hair. Your hair will remain forever. I have the video, just go and check it. You will come back and testify. I don't even need to like come and say you will enjoy it. Let me just use the word. You will enjoy it. Okay, you will enjoy it. I have the way that I use the oil, the way that I did it. I will leave the link of the video of how to use oil that your hair will stay forever, like bouncing and shining. You can see my hair. I don't normally use a lot of product. No, just only one product is okay. So I will leave the link on this video so that you can go and watch that video and see how I do it. Right now I'm going to hang this very hair on top of my water here, then allow the water to like rest it. Then I will use my hand to press it, then I will take it outside. So this is what, okay, you can see I will hang it right now on the water, allow the water to flow inside to watch it very well. Okay, you can see the water is on right now. The water is on. I don't know if the voice is out because Serena was just like shouting inside. So I will allow the water to just go inside very well, rest it very well, then excuse it with towel or anything. I use my hands to just excuse it. So now I will allow the hair to dry down the sun. I'm not going to use anything like hand dryer, hair dryer, whatever. I'm just going to allow the free breeze, free sun to dry it. And this is the hair, guys. So beautiful. I use it for my baby. So gorgeous. The hair is so beautiful. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learn how to bleach your hair with maybe, let's just say 3 euro or 4 euro. You have your bleach, which you can use it to do a lot of hair. So this is it. The hair was so beautiful, so gorgeous. I I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you enjoy watching it, don't forget to give thumbs up, and at the same time like the video. Please just like the video, okay? Thank you for watching, and I love you. Click down the link and see how to lose oil for everlasting hair. Thank you. Bye.